ma Nyamira Amos Nyaribo oyango ni gin ne ging'eyo mana ringre 13 kende ma bende ne giyie mar mondo mi oike kaunti mano ma Kericho. Omiyo ringre mago mamoko ma bende romo 20 gikia kama ne ogolie. Kane otwak bang' ka bende ne oseyud kanyo ringre mago ma bende romo 33 e bura achiel olero ni piny owacho oyie mar mondo mi gitim nonro e yo mano makare mar yango jogo ma bende no medo ringre mago maromo 20 e kar iko makamano.
There were 13 bodies which were supposed to be disposed from Nyamira. And as a government, we followed the procedure. We got court orders to dispose those bodies in any public cemetery. We released an officer and a vehicle with 13 bodies, fully compliant, following all the laws. We gave money to be paid to Kericho County, but unfortunately, whoever was given money did not pay to the county. He had an arrangement with a private Moik or a private cemetery where they went and disposed the bodies. The exhumation was done and they were found 33 bodies. As Nyamira, we are not aware of those. If we were aware, we should have sought permission to dispose 33 bodies. The permission of disposing 13 and disposing 33 is the same. So, those people were involved from the county of Nyamira to Kericho. I think they are already in custody.